Rotten sneakers? Dirty slippers? This little mixture puts an end to this problem on the spot. Do you know when you buy that white sneaker and in the first use it gets all grimy and yellowish? This mixture is great for cleaning. With this mixture you will easily remove all the dirt that is on your shoes. Shall we learn? But first, tell me in the comments from which city you are watching this video. In a container you will add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. That's right, more or less 1 tablespoon. We will also add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. The baking powder for cakes. Then add 2 tablespoons of detergent. You will see that when you start mixing it, it will become a chemical reaction. And it is this chemical reaction that will clean your shoes. Look how it's looking. The chemical reaction happening. And look at the state of this slipper. Let's make the magic happen. I took a little piece of the dishwashing sponge and I'm going to go over it with it. But you can use an old toothbrush too. Swish a little bit of the mixture around and rub it in. You will see a big difference. Remembering that this is an old slipper, imagine how the newer tennis shoes will look. And it is already cleaning. Before showing all the results, let's scrub the sneaker. This is a new sneaker, but it is very dirty. Scrub it well. Now let's compare the slipper. Look at the difference between the dirty one and the one we mixed. This slipper had been idle for a long time. And look at the comparison with the tennis shoes. Very clear difference. I hope this video helped you. Today's message is from Exodus 20:12, honor your father and mother so that you may have a long life in the land the Lord your God is giving you. Of the 10 commandments, this is the first one that comes with a promise of blessing for those who keep it. Parents are not perfect, but they usually have a lot of information and wisdom to pass on to us, because they are older than we are. The responsibility of taking care of children is very great, because it will have a great influence on the rest of their lives. For this reason, our fathers deserve our honor. When we follow the guidance of parents who love God, we avoid many mistakes. Please reflect on this message. Until the next video. Bye.